All right, cool. In this course, we're going to talk so much about how to master playing in all of your keys. So, first of all, we're going to talk about the number system. And I know we've learned a lot about that so far. You should be familiar with it. But we're also going to look at it from the perspective of the Roman numeral system and not just the number system. And I believe and know that this is the key to playing by ear after helping lots of musicians over the years learn how to play by ear. And of course, we know with the Roman numeral system, there's some advantages that just using plain numbers doesn't have because we can basically do capital letters and lowercase letters, with the capital letters showing that it's a major chord, with the minor ones being shown by a lowercase letter. So let's talk about that for just a second. We know the Romans used letters for numbers. The letter I equaled 1, and the letter V was equal to 5. Therefore, if you have two I's next to each other, that is 2. If you had three I's in a row, that's 3. 4 would be an I before a V, because think 5 minus 1, right? Because V is 5, I is, so that would be 4. Just the letter 5 would be 5. And then if you have VI, that would be 6, because you have the I after. You always add them if they're after. And so after the V, and then if you have two I's after the V, that's 7. That's all you have to remember. We don't have to remember anything else super hard. That's it. So one letter I is 1, two I's is 2, three I's is 3, IV is 4, V is 5, VI is 6, and VII is 7. So that's all we're doing is we're just giving each number of the major scale, each letter of the number of the major scale a number, I should say. So if we're looking at the A major scale, for example, which is what we're studying in this lesson, we're going to give the first letter of the major scale the number 1, and it's going to be capital because the first chord is usually major. The second letter is going to be lowercase. It's going to be 2 because we're going to use B minor, typically in the key of A. Your 2 is typically a minor. The 3, C sharp, is typically a minor also. The 4, D, is typically a major.